During summer days, you have to protect your plants from heat stress because in summer humidity will be very less. So it makes your plants to lose more amount of water through transpiration. So to avoid all these, you have to provide a favorable condition in summer days to protect your plants from heat stress. Hi everyone, welcome to Trust Basket. I am Kirti. In our gardening episodes, we will educate you from basics to the master level. In today's episode, we will be discussing how you have to care your plants during summer days, otherwise it may kill your sensitive plants. So by the end of today's video, you will be able to protect your plants from harsh sun. So let's get into the topic. The first important tip to care your plants during summer is deep watering. You have to water your plants deeply. If you water shallow, water will easily drain out through drainage hole and sides. So when the loss of water is more through transpiration from leaves and soil, you have to provide more amount of water through deep watering, and you have to water frequently to avoid the heat stress. The next important tip you have to follow to protect your plants in the summer is providing shade for your plants. Some sensitive plants start feeling stressed during the summer. To overcome this, you have to provide partial shade or partial light for your plants. So some of the plants may show the symptom of wilting and some other plants may show the leaf scorching. Here, leaf scorching refers to burning kind of things on the leaves. So to avoid this heat stress, you have to provide shade for your plants. To provide partial shade for your plants, just you have to shift your plants from the direct sunlight to the partial shade conditions. This is an easy way for the less number of plants or plants which are in the pots. But when there are more plants, or if you plant it directly into the ground, then there is no chance for shifting your plants into the partial shade. So during such cases, you can provide partial shade or partial light to your plants by using the shade nets which are available on online markets or in nearby nurseries. In shade nets, you will get a different percentage of shade, like 30% shade, 50% and 70% shade. 30% shade means which allows the 70% of light and blocks the rest. You can choose the different shade nets according to your need and the prevailing temperature in your place. During the summer, there will be lack of moisture content in the air. So this makes the weather hot and increases the rate of transpiration in plants. So it makes the plant to lose more amount of water. That's why you have to create a microclimate that is cool and reduces the water loss from plants. You can do this, you can create a microclimate around your plants just by misting or spraying water on the plants. Misting or spraying water to your plants increases the humidity around the plants and reduces the heat and water loss from your plants. Last but not least, before taking care of your plants, you should learn to identify the stress that plants show. Depending on the heat and stress level, different plants show the different symptoms or signs. Some plants may show the wilting of leaves and some other plants show the yellowing of leaves. And some may show the burnt kind of thing on the leaves. That is called as leaf scorching. So leaf scorching here refers to the brown black color patch on the leaves. Be in contact with your plant. It will tell everything to you. Before treating your plants with some chemicals, analyze the problem and then go for solving it. I hope you understood how to care your plants when they need your help. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. Bye until next time. We make different gardening products. We sincerely believe that our products will delight you. If you consider buying our products online, please refer to the link below in the description. If you want to know more about gardening, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel.